Welcome back, class. Today we will start the moral science of class 3. The book name is Right is Right. Lesson 1, The Eagle and the Fox. God sees everything. He watches our activities and notices them. You must remember that God's justice never fails. An evil deed done knowingly is always followed by suitable punishment. Sometimes we feel that if we do a wrong thing, no one will seize us, but God sees everything. If we harm others, harm comes to us too. Let us understand the divine justice done by the God. This is an story about an eagle and a fox. Both are lived in a forest in a tree. An eagle and a fox lived in a forest. They were good friends. The eagle built her nest on the top of a tall tree, while the fox settled in the cozy hollow of the same tree. Once the eagle laid 3 eggs in the nest, and some time later the fox gave birth to her cubs. One fine morning, the fox was away in the forest. The eagle, not finding any food for the young brood, went down and picked up a cub from the fox's hole. She fed it to her brood. That way she cheated her friend. When the fox returned, she understood the mystery behind her lost cub and was very angry. So she grieved for her cub, but was more grieved for the injustice done by the eagle. Fate, however, went against the eagle. One day the eagle noticed villagers sacrificing a goat. She swooped down and picked up a small piece of meat and flew straight to her nest. She did not realize that a burning cinder stuck below the meat piece she was carrying. A strong wind fanned the little cinder spark into a flame. The eaglets, still unflagged and helpless, were roasted in their nest and dropped dead at the bottom of the tree in front of the fox's hole. The divine justice punished the eagle. So, moral of the story, when you think no one is observing you, no one is behind you, and you are going to do the wrong thing, then always remember God is always seeing you, and He is there for giving you a gift for your good work and a punishment for your bad work. So, always being a good child. Now, exercise A. Answer the following questions. First one, where did the fox and the eagle live? The fox and the eagle lived in a forest. Second question, why did the fox grieve? The fox grieved first for her cub and second the injustice of eagle. Third question, from where did the eagle get the piece of meat? The eagle got a piece of meat when the villagers sacrificing a goat. Fourth one, what happened to the eaglets? The eaglets were roasted and dropped dead. Fifth question, do you think eagle cheated the fox and how? Yes, forgetting her friendship, the eagle did injustice to the fox by stealing the cub. B. Fill in the blanks. First, God's dash never fails. God's justice never fails. Second, the dash built her nest on the top of a dash. The eagle built her nest on the top of a tree. Third, the eagle laid 3 days in her nest. The eagle laid 3 eggs in her nest. Fourth, the little dash sparked into a flame. The little cinder sparked into a flame. C. Write T for true and F for false. The eagle and the fox were enemies. No, they were friends. So it is false. Second, the eagle looked after the fox's cub while the fox was away. False. Third, the eagle got a piece of meat for the eaglets. That is true. Fourth, the fox set fire to the nest of the eagle. False.